एक चैट शो को इंटरेस्टिंग बनाते हैं उसके क्वेश्चंस, उनके गेस्ट्स, टॉपिक्स etc. Celebrity guests are always welcome. TRPs, you know. But जब कोई extraordinary guests आते हैं, it is mesmerizing. So you're a witch.
I think so.
Witches are supposed to be like all crinkled, wrinkled with big hats and look a little evil. You don't look evil at all.
Who said so?
So that's the way we read about them in fairy tale books, and that's where they're supposed to exist.
Twan set buaneter anset, anset. Arinep satitu anetraki tefnet anetraki shu anetraki geb anetraki atum. Twan set buaneter anset anset. Arineb satitu anetraki tefnet anetraki shu anetraki geb anetraki atum.
फेरी टेल्स से रियल लाइफ तक झगड़े, स्ट्रेस, हंसना, हंसाना, रोना, मनाना हमने सब एक्सपीरियंस किया है एंड ऑल इन गुड स्पिरिट.
एक दो प्ले हैं जो मॉम और मैंने एक साथ किए हैं जहाँ पर वेरी ऑफन वो बिल्कुल भूल जाती है एंड शी इज जस्ट लुकिंग एट मी लाइक ओके कम ऑन एंड आई हैव टू कंप्लीटली कैरी ऑन. मुझे उनकी लाइन कहकर अपनी लाइन कहकर कुछ कनेक्शन करना पड़ता है. इट्स हैपेंड अ कपल ऑफ टाइम्स, लेट्स बी ऑनेस्ट.
He never says a sorry for doing anything ever, even if it's
sorry
the
for
meanest
never saying
thing.
sorry.
Even
Because
if
I
it's
know
the
I never do
meanest
anything
thing.
wrong.
Yeah, right.
Oh, so you're the perfect man who'll never make a mistake. Is that it, Shane?
Yeah, I don't think so. I made
Yeah.
So you're saying that you're the perfect
Only
man.
my friends say
You're
you made the
perfect
biggest
human
mistake
being.
of getting married. That's
Yeah. Your friends don't know how much deep inside you feel. Wow, thank God I got married to her.
आज मुझे लगता है कि अगर मैं इससे शादी ना करता या फिर ऐसे कोई पर्सन से जो आर्टिस्टिकली इंक्लाइन ना हो तो मैं तो मर जाता.
He's the best. I mean, as far as a husband, I couldn't ask for more. Seriously.
She couldn't get better. Forget ask for more.
That I don't agree with. I'll beat you when we get home now.
Chill, just chill. चौदहवीं का चांद हो
या आफताब हो,
जो भी हो तुम खुदा की कसम
लाजवाब हो, चौदहवीं का चांद.
We also had some guests जिन्हें बिल्कुल पता नहीं था कि प्लाज्मा पे हम उन्हें क्या दिखाने वाले हैं. And those were really gotcha kind of moments. Please notice their reactions.
Let's take some reactions of people. Let them tell you what they think of your talk show.
Oh dear, you've done your homework, have you?
I try.
Well, it is like any other show, like a Simi, Garival, or it's just like the same spiel all over again. It's nothing great. It's just the usual.
Karan's nice, but it's getting a bit boring, no? Don't you think? Shahrukh. Hi, Shahrukh. How are you, Shahrukh? I'm fine, Karan. Bit boring.
What's so different? I find it very, very thanda, yaar.
I mean, it's just like Karan with all his friends, sitting around and chatting. They could do it in a coffee shop instead of national television.
Well, I guess people really haven't, taken too well. But I guess it's constructive criticism. You could always get better, right?
No, darling, it's completely, in fact, a lot of it is true. I mean, there have been like a lot
Karan,
of,
you're so
a
sweet.
lot
You're
of-
sitting there and saying this. I just love you for this. This
No,
is just
but-
a big joke. Have a look at what they really say.
No, I
don't
you were
want to
doing
check
all
this
right,
out.
okay.
Hey, Karan, sorry about that. They just wanted me to make a bakra out of you. I wonder if you really
No, but
got
I
made a
actually
bakra or
agreed with a
not.
few things.
Karan, I know it's way past the 1st of April. I have to tell you, you
Sweet.
rock.
You realize that Bollywood has brains, Some of your rapid fire, fantastic.
Hi, Karan. I'm so sorry. That was just a prank. They just forced me to do it. I love you. I love the show.
This is fantastic.
It's as
I
much
love this.
fun as friends.
This is brilliant, but I want to tell you, I was quite in agreement with a few things.
Your
because
face fell, it became so small. You're so sweet.
No,
You
I
said,
did.
Yes, I think I
No.
agree with them.
Even if it was just those four, I would have said its point of views because I believe that. I believe you must take criticism if you can take praise.
Oh my God.
Did you get this wrong? Who's that? Oh, no. Who's that?
Where did you get this wrong?
Jessica, baby, for sure. There's nothing Jessie about that girl.
Pakdi gayi is all I can say.
तो लेते हैं हम अब एक break, but be back for some of the most hilarious moments on Just Pooja.